There are 3 simple ways to download the PRESTAN CPR feedback app. First, you can visit prestan.app to be automatically directed to the PRESTAN CPR feedback app in the App Store for your specific device. Second, you can go directly to the App Store on your smart device and search for PRESTAN CPR feedback. Lastly, you can use the QR code provided at the end of this video. It can also be found in the instruction manual that came with your device. The PRESTAN CPR feedback app provides high-quality, real-time, advanced CPR feedback via a Bluetooth connection with the PRESTAN Professional Adult Series 2000 mannequin. Advanced CPR feedback, which includes rate, depth, recoil, ventilation, and hands-off time, is monitored, easily displayed, and available for reporting, allowing students to self-monitor performance and gain confidence during CPR training. The PRESTAN CPR feedback app allows instructors to provide comprehensive CPR training while monitoring CPR performance for up to 6 students at a time. This app is also equipped with a reporting feature that allows for CPR training results to be downloaded or printed directly from the app. For more information on the PRESTAN Professional Adult Series 2000 mannequin, please reference the instruction sheet, troubleshooting guide, and frequently asked questions, available on the PRESTAN website at prestanproducts.com.